implementation. That is my expectation.
Thank you, Ajahn Mala, for the expectations, and thank you everyone for your contribution of your concerns. I think this is your concerns, and to me, especially to me, and I guess also to Rick and Isra, I think it's a legitimate concern. Because first of all, this concern is really legitimate, it is appropriate, it is relevant, because more detail about how we check and how we are going to realign or revise the things that we did for the betterment of future. So it is very important that we have to look this into the cycle of the AFFM. It's nothing separate. This might be separate in terms of the implementation of the FMU at the local level, the micro level. That might be separate, you know, the specific interest of the subject area. But in terms of the monitoring and evaluation is same cycle. This also can be applied for subnational. Subnational region, for example. So in Thailand, we have southern coastal zone, say for example. Not only states or province or cities or districts. We group them into a cluster of the provinces. It's become a region. This can be also applied for that. This also can be applied at the global level. Why not? Asia Pacific region, ASEAN region, South China Sea region, and this, what is that? Coral Reef Triangle region. It's a region. So this is very relevant concern. Now let's review our concern. We should also evaluate the adaptability of the things that we are planning to transfer. So that is all about our briefings and also the SEAFDEC initiatives. The second one is alignment, and I like this one because it's very realistic. It's mismatch. That is life. Life is not easy. So we did already, we did through the mistake, and one day we realized that we didn't meet the big one, but we are happy with the small one. So how to live with this? Oh, we are living with it. So we call, then we align them. In business, they call doing business alignment. Right? Make things coherent from down to top. So we touch upon that, and that will be very interesting because it's going to your exercise, how you are going to do this thing, which is already having there, and align with something that we expect above. Okay? So application and indicator is another important thing because RIBICs recommend indicators. Your government recommend indicators. Your municipalities also need that indicators. Your fishery department also need another set of indicators. How we are going to compromise this? So this also touch upon, we will also touch upon how we are going to select the indicators that make everybody happy. And how we select the indicators that present the most impact to our report. This is reality. At the end of the day, we are going to write a report that show the indicators that show the visibility of achievements. This means that we can't work with every indicators. We have to work with the indicator which is your champions. Okay, that's why we call best practice. So it's very important, and many other things are also very important, especially scientific indicators and management indicators. Oh, we are scientists. You see, in fishery, and I also believe so, that in other area of specialty, we are used to scientific indicators. We like working in the laboratories. We like working in the experimentation plots. We like working with the sample size. And we take scientific parameters based on, and you are not wrong, based on what? Ecosystem perspective. Yeah, nothing wrong, because it's about ecosystem, it's about biodiversity, it's about preservation. So, scientific indicator has been taken in order to inform people that we are fine.